Google's Nano Banana just met a rival. ByteDance launched Seedream 4.0, and it's blistering fast. It claims high-res images in under 2 seconds, accepts up to 6 reference images for consistent storyboards or product shots, and lets you edit visuals with plain language commands, change backgrounds, colors, or details without Photoshop. ByteDance says it beat Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image on Magic Bench. Right now, Seedream 4.0 is live in China via Zhimeng, Dubao, and Volcano Engine, but a global rollout could spark a real showdown. Comment which you'll try.